So, hello. This is our video on developing a pyramid. So, starting off with a square-based pyramid, we're going to a rectangular-based pyramid. In this video, we will have a normal pyramid that goes right up to the top, and then we'll have a truncated one that'll be chopped off. It doesn't really matter what way it is chopped off, but you'll find with practice that they're all the exact same. So, to start off, we need to try and develop this. Normally, the handiest way to develop this would be to have your square base and then each one of these four sides folding out, but then that's going to be a lot of weld going up here and a lot of weld going here, so we try and keep the welds to be the shortest sides. So BC and AD is going to be a lot shorter weld than from O to D and O to A. This is point O here, or point 0. Now, before we do that, we need to find the length of one of our points. So the length of O to say C, this is corner CB, this is corner DA. To get that, we need to find the length for our arc around. We can't. How do we do that? If we imagine that we had, let's keep going, if we had a cone based around this. So we've got a cone now, that the cone I've drawn up here, or this person has drawn here, is going through A, B, C and D, but it juts out here. And it juts out to the back, juts out to the right, so it goes through each one of them. So it looks like it's funny in my elevation. In my plan, it shows me it's going through every one of them. What does that show me? That shows me that if I had a line from O to C, because it's going through O and C, that little line there, that's not the longest version of that. So if I drew that point there, bring it down, that point there is going to be level with my center point, or point O. So what I have to do is, cone which is generated with line O3, doesn't matter. I've got a level line going across here, and I rotated one of my corners, doesn't matter which one it is, because it's going through every one of them. I rotated one of them up as far as there, and this point is directly below this point. So this point is a level line. I'm going to say this a million times. This is a level line. If it's a level line in one view, a level line I mean by is parallel to the XY line. So this is a level line in one view. That means it's a true length in a different view. This is the length I'm looking for. This green line is the true length. Now I take that true length in my compass, so pointy end and O, extend that as far as here, and I draw a big arc the whole way around. I can go left across first, draw the arc, doesn't really matter. Arc done. Now I can take this point as 1, or as A, and I'm going to take from A to B, step around, B to C, C to D, D back to A. So it goes from this first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and go corner, 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 but it has to go starts at A and finishes at A. Just be careful of that. Join them on in. Just be careful that when you're doing these distances here, that A and B are the exact same as B to C. Sometimes if it's a rectangular based pyramid, it mightn't be the exact same. So we've got our base, they're going from CD, so it's going from CD. So we've got D, that's our full line. So we have to get B and we have to get A. So from C we get B, and from D we get A. So we rotate around, join them up. Job done. Adding all your full lines. That's the question complete. So now we've got the exact same thing. This time we've got completed elevation, incomplete plan. We have to draw the development of this shape. There's also going to be part of the draw the development of, or draw the true shape of the cut surface. We'll come back to that when we get to it. So to start off, we need to get where to complete our plan. We now need to find, the best way to do is to label everything. This corner here where my mouse is now is B, A, and this is C, D. I go B first because I'm standing down here, I'm looking in, I'm going to see B before I see A. The line B, O, and AO gets cut here, and the line OC and OD gets cut here. So these 2 points are very, very important to me. This line here This is OA. This line here is also OA. This is OB. These two lines get cut here. This line here cuts, this dot here cuts the line OD and OC somewhere directly below here. So what I'm going to do is bring down these points and point them out. There we go. That is my plan complete. The next part is we need to draw the true shape of this. We're asked to draw the true shape of this. Sometimes we're going to be asked, sometimes we're not. To draw the true shape of anything, just bring them up at 90 degrees to it and then figure out from there. This corner, bring it at 90 degrees, 90 degrees. That's how you get a true shape. Looking directly at it, or looking at 90, or look at 90 degrees and then flipping it around. So I'm going to look around 90 degrees and then flip it around. I can go, this corner is my closest corner, or I can get a center line, and it's up to you. So this person here has got a center line, and we're going to take, this is the point along AB, so this is going to be AB. There's my center line. Extend my compass out as far as there, and that's going to give me AB. Likewise, up here, compass stretch it out, stretch it out. There we go. The distance between here and here doesn't really matter, as long as it's going from the center line. This could be right up next close to that if you haven't got space up there, so don't really worry about it too much. As long as there's a gap between this and the other one, you're doing good. That's the true shape. That's not what I'm here for. Now, let's get into this. Like before, in the previous couple of minutes ago, we had to get the true length. We need a level line. Here's our level line, and we're going to rotate this up. So we're going to make our big cone that goes the whole way around, and we're going to rotate all of each side through it. This is a level line. We'll bring it up. This point is O, which is up here. This point is C, which is on the ground. Point O to C. That's a true shape, or true length. A true length is very, very important. If you don't understand it, go back, please, and watch it again. If it's a level line in one view, it'll be a true length in the other view. I'm going to take that green line. That's my radius. I'm going to rotate that the whole way around. That's that done. That point is point A. Look at the difference between A and B, B and C. They're long and short, so be very careful that you don't mark out four of the exact same, because they're not the same. A, B, step it out. B goes C. Then it's a short one. Then it's a long one. And now nice and lightly join them back to O. Now our next option is we can do the base first, or we can try and get the length of each of these sides. So we know OA and OB are a lot shorter than the full pyramid. So we need to figure out what we're going to do. This person decided we're going to do the base first. That's grand. We've done this already. As long as this corner, or this corner here and this corner are the same distance away from C, they're mine and exact same as this one. So this is a long one. This has to be short. Now, our distances. This is where it gets a little bit complicated, or a little bit, or an extra step. We have a true length line here already. All we need to do is bring each of these points as far as our true length and mark it from O on our compass. So bring this bottom one. Lovely. Go from O down to this point. That's on the line OA and OB. So OA, OA, and OB, right? We're going to mark off that distance. That distance there. There's OA. Job done, and over here. So mark it off, mark it off, mark it off. You can just draw a small arc, or you can do like a semicircle like this person has. It is up to you. That's A, B, and A done. Do the exact same thing with this one here. This point here crosses C and D. Take that distance. Do the exact same thing. C and D. So C and D. I'm really worrying about it here. Lovely. Mark them off. Mark them off. Basically, drawing this point to there, there to there, there to there, there, and back. That's most of it done. You can draw your dotted lines here if you wish. Lastly, this has to do. We have to do this top part. We know this top part of this. We can do it against any of them, but this point here is probably the handiest. So we're going to go from there, and we're going to take our distances in our true shape and basically recreate this, touching these two sides. So create a center line if you need to do that. Set this distance up in your compass. Step it off up here. Go 90 degrees to my center line. And again, take this distance left and this distance right. Stretch them up. There's 100 different ways of doing the exact same thing. That's that part done.